Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to do the benchmark test in the Realme X8 Max after using close to 5 years of usage. It's been close to 5 years and the phone comes with a Dimensity 1200 processor, and let's see friends how much the benchmarks the phone can actually score up to. And before the phone can score the benchmarks up to 7 lakhs regarding the benchmark performance. And right now using with the latest benchmark version and using with the high performance mode which is turned on as you can see. And now let's find the benchmarks how much it can actually get up to in the 2026 of the Realme X8 Max. So we'll try to observe the overall test results in the Realme X8 Max. Can this cross 1 million benchmark in the 2026 or not? So even though the phone was released last like more than close to like 5 years of time, but still it was able to perform pretty good without any kind of problem. And this is a 8GB RAM and the 128GB model, which is the Realme X8 Max device. So again, we'll be back friends after some time. And the temperatures right now, it's about like 32 degrees Celsius in the beginning. We'll try to check the temperatures after some time. So during the time of like 2021, when the phone got released, it was able to perform like pretty good, not bad. And right now the temperatures, you can see 41 degrees Celsius. So 41 and 40 degrees Celsius, it's maintaining with the Dimensity of 1200. Let's see friends, right now in the 2026, how the phone gonna perform regarding the benchmarks, and will it be equal to like close to 1 million benchmarks or not? All those details I'll try to describe in this video on the Realme X8 Max. Let's find out. And in case if you want me to upload any other videos on the Realme X8 Max, let me know in the comment section below. So definitely it's not like many people will be looking, but let me know in the comments if you already like previously used the Realme X8 device or not. Let me know in the comment section below if you previously used. But it's a pretty good phone, except battery, everything is perfect because of the battery right now. It's not staying that long at this moment. And again, we'll be back after some time, guys. So once the benchmarks has been done, then we can discuss the more details about the benchmarks, what's going on in the 2026 about this Realme X8 Max device. So this is the benchmark scores which we got in the Realme X8 Max right now, as you can see, 9.8 lakhs. So which is pretty good. So 9 lakhs of benchmark scores in the Realme X8 Max, even after like close to 5 years of time, which is pretty fantastic, no issues. And you can see the battery, how much it got decreased, 7% is decreased while doing this testing. So definitely friends, regarding the performance wise, I did not notice any kind of like huge drawback or any kind of delay, nothing at all much in this Realme X8 Max, but only the problem was like battery. So rest of every aspect of the phone was like pretty good. So except the battery, which is not that holding up. So definitely after like long usage, you can definitely understand that's the case regarding the battery as well. But this is a quick update which I thought of giving you all on this Realme X8 Max device after long term of usage. So meanwhile, signing off friends, thank you for watching and stay tuned. And this is a quick smart test results on this device, what you can actually expect on the Dimensity 1200 processor. Until then, stay tuned, signing off, thank you for watching and bye.